Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Balongs TV. Let's check this out. What's up everyone, this is ANP Paul Vincent Setias of Balongs TV. So, kamusta kayo lahat dyan guys, no? Nice meeting you all, no? Even though I don't see you, but now that you have seen me and this video cannot turn back, if you do, you will be cursed. Just joking. Who even believes that stuff, right? Well, anyways, if you are watching this video, I thank you from the bottom of my heart because you're just in time to know the updates in my life and some of my engineering lectures, in which you don't really care about, but I still share them anyway. And if you're a returning viewer, well, God bless you and thank you. I hope you stay longer. Anyways, let's get to the topic of this vlog. Well, this is my first ANP serie when it comes to environmental planning. Well, as an environmental planner, so especially for those aspiring engineers or like to take on or would like to be a registered environmental planner, well, this is the right time that give you vital tips to pass the environmental planning exam given by the PRC. Alright, so next, in this topic I will discuss about the environmental planning handbooks, the environmental planning laws, the environmental planning codes, and the environmental planning manuals. For manuals and frameworks, rationalizing the local planning system, the RPS, CLUP Guidebook Volume 1, The Planning Process, CLUP Guidebook Volume 2, Sectoral Analysis and Tools for Situational Analysis, CLUP Guidebook Volume 3, Model Zoning Ordinance, Local Planning Illustrative Guide, National Framework for Physical Planning 2001 to 2030, ENP as a Profession pursuant to PD 1308, Law of Regulating the ANP Profession in the Philippines, RA 10587, Environmental Planning Act of 2013, ENP review related to agriculture, RA 8435, Agriculture and Fisheries Modernization Act of 1997, RA 8550, the Philippine Fisheries Code of 1998, ENP review related to biodiversity, RA 7586, NIPAS Act of 1992, ENP review related to climate change, RA 9729, Climate Change Act of 2009, RA 10121, Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act of 2010, ENP review related to human settlement, BP 220, Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations for BP 220, PD 957, Regulating the Sale of Subdivision Lots and Condominiums, RA 7279, Urban Development and Housing Act of 1992, ENP review related to institutional sector, EO 71, devolves approval of subdivision plans to cities and municipalities. EO 72, preparation and implementation of the CLUPs of LGUs. RA 6957, BOT law. RA 7718, expanded BOT law. RA 7160, Local Government Code of 1991. RA 9184, Government Procurement Reform Act. ENP review related to social sector and economic sector. RA 8371, the Indigenous Peoples' Rights Act of 1997. RA 10066, National Cultural Heritage Act of 2009. RA 7916, the Special Economic Zone Act of 1995. And last but not the least, environmental sector, PD 1151, Philippine Environmental Policy. PD 1152, Philippine Environmental Code. And PD 2146, expanded scope of the EIS system. All right. Thank you.